Hello everyone, I'm Patrick here again from Freename. Today we're going to take a look at our newest and most exciting new tool that we're going to add to that is already being added, actually now that we're talking, to our platform, which is the Explorer. We are really excited about this one. This is one we've been looking for a long time, and it's finally here, so let's dive right in. So here we have it. This is our page, and this is our landing page for our Freename Explorer. As I said, this is a new so here we are at the first page, let's say the landing page of our Freename Explorer. As you can see, I've got two choices. You can either use this tool to find out which domains have been registered on which service, so we can search for any domain or TLD on Web3 that has been registered on ENS and unstoppable domains, as well as of course as Freename domains. So we can just start from that, which is this button here, which is the Web3 WHOIS. Here, as you can see, we have two search bars. The first one is to search directly for an address and scan it for any domain or TLD. And the second one is directly to search for domains or TLDs. So we're going to go ahead and do just that. We're going to search for account.online casino. There we go. And here we have the result. It will search on any chain, and here we see that it has been minted, account.online casino. I can see the token ID, I can see the issuer, which is Freename Services. I can see the network, which is Polygon, and of course that it is a domain. So let's say I wanna go deeper and know more. I can just take the address of the owner, just copy it, paste it here, search. And here, once we scanned, please be aware that every search may take a different time. In this case, it was pretty fast. So here we can see that this particular address has 165 domains. We can see that it all minted in Polygon. We can see that is 26 unstoppable domains and 139 Freename Services domains for a total 165 domains. And we can see every one of them right here. This is pretty amazing. So again, this is the Freename WHOIS service. You can search for any domain, Web3 domain or TLD directly on chain. So this was about it. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.